So hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm showing if you guys facing the error problem in your Discord, elevated latency and errors. So guys, watch this video till end because I'm showing in this video why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, you can watch this video till end, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So guys, if you facing this problem in your Discord today, you can watch this graph. The red line is at the up. It means today many people facing this problem in Discord. Today you are not only one. So guys, if this red line is at the up, it means many people facing this problem in Discord today, and it means today Discord servers is down. Yes guys, today the Discord servers is down right now. So guys, what you have to do, so guys, you have to wait for some minute or an hour because this is the server issue and the Discord team working on fixing the servers of the Discord, and these error problem will be solved in some time, some minute or an hour. So guys, you have to wait for some minute or an hour, and if you guys facing any other problem in the Discord today, you can comment me and I will try to solve your problem as soon as possible. And you just wait for some minute or an hour. This problem will automatically solved by the Discord game team. So guys, I hope you understand what I am saying. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. Thanks for watching.